Good morning! First morning in the caravan park. Ang ganda ng sunrise. Tulog pa yung mga bata. Inano niya yung heater. Tinaasan niya kasi malamig sa labas. Nag-transfer ako kasi nga naubusan na tayo ng space. Ginigising niya na si Zach. Yung mga hinubad nandyan lang kasi hindi namin mabuksan yung sa bathroom kasi yung swag ni kuya nandun sa may pintuan. Ginigising niya na yung mga bata. 7:25 na. Ang ganda talaga dun sa labas kanina nung nag-toilet kasi ako. So, ang ganda-ganda. Ganda ng sky. Sarap gumising pag ganun. May pailaw tayo. Holly, your baby's crying. Your baby's crying. Katabi niya si Violet. Violet ang pangalan niya ni. Babe, drink your now, please. Your red. What's that? Yeah, I'm gonna organize Zachary's lunch. Oh, open the windows, son. The blinds. Diba? Madilim na. Lamo? Mosquito horn? Fly. Winter na may fly pa rin tayo. Okay. Okay. Bless you, kuya. Gawa natin si Zach ng lunch. Kasi maghapon siya doon. Wrap. Okay. Where is my wraps? Huh? You're going back? Oh my God, you went outside like that. Okay. Nakahubad siya, ang lamig-lamig. Ito pala yung, sabi ko ba, udi ni Holly. Pareho kami. Pero yung akin, ilang years na natin yung nabili, hindi ko pa rin siya nagagamit kasi ginagamit ko minsan yung kay Zach pag hindi niya ginagamit. So, gusto ng ating Saki Boy ay wraps. Salami. Salami wraps. Cheese. I'll put lettuce, Zach, okay? And aioli. No, aioli. Huh? Zach, I can't hear you. No, thanks. Okay. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng cheese. I'll put salad. Okay, I'll put lettuce. Okay? We don't have carrots. So, maghapon si Zach sa kanyang training. Combination siya ng educational. Tapos, training, learning, skills, basta ang dami daw nilang gagawin today. Photos, may pa-picture din sila. Kaya, balutan natin siya ng lunch. So, i-drop off lang siya ni Jan. Hindi na kami sasama. Then later, pag training na, mga 12 ata o 12:30, saka lang kami sasama para mapanood natin ang training niya. Mga Saki Boy. How many Zach? Just one? Or two? Only like this small. So, okay. Why? You will be there until 4:30. I'm just gonna make one. Hala, wala pala tayong ano. Wala na pala akong aluminum foil. Hindi ko to chinek. Wala na tayong aluminum foil tsaka baking paper. So, ilagay ko na lang siya sa... Ano ba ako ditong stock? Yun ang hindi ko chinek kasi nagmamadali tayo, guys. Alam niyo naman. Yun, yung ganap natin last week. Grabe. Ay, walay. Walay talaga. Ay, ngayon pa talaga siya wala. Good morning, Violet and Holly. Ayan yung kanyang anak-anakan. How about you, yeah? Do you want me to make you some?
Yes, po.
Kuya? No thanks. Wow. Himala, kuya.
Yeah, now it's gonna be full.
Yeah.
Where's the card?
Card? You're gonna toilet?
Yeah.
Here.
Where's the other one?
I don't know. Where's the other one? It should be two. Damihan natin lettuce. So, ayan lang. Salt. See? Just one or two? Two? Okay. I'm just gonna put in the Ziploc so we don't have aluminum foil or baking paper. So, sumuli pa ng ating ang ganito na lang para i-push niya na lang. Ah, very good. Ah, sa easy. You just have to push it like this when you eat. Okay lang din. Ay, hala. So, dalawang gawin natin. Tinanggal ko sa ano, sa dito, sa Ziploc kasi bumubuka. So, sabi ko kay sa ilagay ko dito, i-wrap ko ba dito? Sabi, oh no, 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 no. Kasi hindi pwede nasa Ziploc lang kasi bumubuka siya. Like this ako, look. Okay? Ayan, much better. Diba? Nagawa natin ang paraan. Tatlo. And cheese.
Dad has the other card.
Oh, Dad has it. Okay, that's good. How about you, Baba? Do you want breakfast? Drink your
I want
greens.
cereal.
Ah, cereal. Okay. Yes, we do have cereal.
I want the
Which one?
where are they?
Here. Oi! Marunong bihon.
I want the
Wheat Bix?
no, the one across
Ah.
that one.
Okay, yung ano ba to? Raisin?
Yeah.
You're gonna feed Violet.
Yeah. This is her bunny.
Cold there, bud. Where's Willow now?
He's only 400 k's from where we're meeting.
Okay. Si Willow, yung... Nakita nyo na yung kasama rin natin sila 2 years ago na nagkaravan tayo.
Huh?
Kahapon, umalis na rin sila
Tomorrow morning.
after ng footy.
Pull your rug up, sir.
So, imimit na lang natin siya somewhere. Sak, look! See, easy lang, Sak.
Yeah, we'll be halfway there. But nah, good take it Zach to Adelaide.
Dapat sabay-sabay kami. Sabay-sabay kaming aalis. Kaso nga lang, kasi na-plan ko ahead pa before po mag-try out si Sak sa state. Una nga, dapat sa Bali kami, kasama sila Kylie. Tapos, nag-request sila nga mag-caravan na lang daw. Which is, nagawa naman ni Jan ang paraan na wag na lang kami sumama sa Bali. Pero, sila Kylie tuloy pa rin sila. Minove din ata nila yung kanila June or early, yeah, June I think, or July. Basta dyan, isa dyan. Tapos June ata. Tapos plano ko yung Philippines, kaya nabanggit ko na yun sa inyo. Ayan na, Sak. So, ngayon ata, August na rin sila. Sila Brock. Ano din, punta rin sila ng Bali. Ngayon ang alis nila din. So, iba-iba na yung mga months ng alis. Kasi nakikita-kita kami doon pag nagbabalo. Nakikita-kita talaga ang mga friends ni Zach. But si Zach at si Kuya gusto nila talaga mag-caravan kasi nga sila Max punta ng caravan life din. Yun nga lang, na-move lang tayo ng very very light na hindi natin sila kasama. Kasi maganda rin kasi pag nagka-caravan, sabay-sabay kayong umaalis. Nasa, sabay-sabay kayong nasa road. Kasi si Jan may walkie-talkie, so usap-usap sila. Okay, Zach, I'm done with your lunch. Do you want some snacks? Zachy boy, what's snack?
Not too much.
Yeah. What do you want? Do you want
Oh,
popcorn?
yeah, no, that'd be right, because he's
Popcorn.
put a couple of Tim Tam biscuits in for him.
Okay. Popcorn. One popcorn.
Just a couple of Tim Tam bubble. He'll survive.
Do you where's your Tim Tam?
Make sure they're original.
What do you want? Caramel.
What do you want, Zach?
Caramel. I'll put 4. Not the caramel? What? Caramel? How many? 4? Ito yung salted caramel brownie. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put 4, Zach. I'll put this in the fridge now. Do you want Pringles, Zachary? Tell me now so I can put it in your... No, I only have 1 popcorn and then the lunch and Tim Tam.
That is my bed clean.
Oreo, Zach? Where's the... Wala dito.
Then the other one. Then the other one.
Dito. Oh, okay na yan. Makaka-survive na yan si Zach. May orange pa. I got orange here for you, Zach. I put 1 fruit box, Zach, okay?
Where's his water bottle?
I have it. Fruit box. Ito yung apple slash. Okay. May orange. Then water.
It looks black.
Pinipil,
Daddy, I'm
Inaasar ni Holly si Jen. Honey, huh? Come on, please. Drink.
I'm trying when you
No.
were
I counted this, babe. I know how many we have. Uminom na raw siya nung tulog ako. Ako pa ba? Bulahin mo.
Hey, Mommy, my green juice.
Your green
Oh,
juice.
why can't I have something different, orange juice?
That's for you. Mas ano yan, alam, mas pangit ang lasa niyan compare nung sa una kong napainom sa kanya.
Guys!
Drink your green juice to Holly. And I'll give your...
I don't want to drink that stuff. There's some chunks. Say I can drink a big one and you just...
This one.
No!
You have to drink all that. What?
Tastes like Yo-Yo. But I don't drink
That's just shit.
What? It's good for you.
No, I don't feel any different.
Whatever. Well, you just...
I've had 3.
Oh yeah, just 3.
Yeah, well, I haven't done anything.
No, it's not you. It's good for your health.
That's what I'm going back to.
Come on, Baba.
Look, I open it.
Don't spill it.
It's not, I can't open it. So, boys, open it for me. You open it.
Cheers to Daddy. Cheers, Daddy.
Cheers. Shit. It's not good enough.
Yes, babe.
Well, they're off.
Oh, where are they going?
Yeah, I'll run out and ask them.
May alis ng caravan. Go, baby. Zach, all set. Except your water. Yeah, I got water here. It's cold.
They're going.
Where do you think they're going, hon? See, why don't you bring their bike on too much?
Yep. That looks good. Is that stuff?
Lagay natin sa Yeti ni Zaki Boy. Can you open this one, please? Careful, Baba, huh? Good now. Did you shake it?
He shaked it for me.
Okay. Get dressed now, Nak. Zach.
See? I'm doing 2 more sips and then I'll be done.
Babe, I got lots of empty bag.
Ow! He elbowed me into my head.
Where are you going, hon? Cold? Zach, get your jumper and get dressed now, please. Brush your teeth. Yeah, we do. I have here. Ito yung breakfast ni Holly. Yung may raisins. Tell me when to stop, Holly. And you can drink your medicine after your breakfast.
Stop.
Stop? That's enough?
Yeah.
Inom pa to ng gamot eh.
I need sugar.
No, you don't need sugar for this one because this is a bit sweet. You only put sugar to your cornflakes or wheat bix.
But Dad puts sugar on it.
You don't have it. Because there's raisins here. Kuya, breakfast? No thanks? Okay.
Now he doesn't want to eat.
Hindi si Kuya morning person na kumain. Ayaw niya yung except for Like, longganisa, fried rice, yun. Pero, pag mga ganito, hindi rin siya kumakain minsan. Okay, eat now. Tapos na tayo maghugas. And nilagay ko na yung bananas, lifesavers. Andito na. Sak na aasikaso na ng buhay niya. Gusto niya raw ng koala tsaka flakes. Where did I put your I just put it here, Sak, inside. Okay. I hope it's not gonna melt. No?
No,
It won't melt? It should. Yeah, malamig naman sa labas. But I'm just gonna put it here. Learn there, okay, Sak? Educational daw. Ay, wow. Bango yun ang ating Zaki boy. Ayan, dala niya yung... Yeah, ang lamig. Here. Okay. And then your bath water. Good catch.
Did you catch it?
Okay, all good. All good ng ating player. Do you want to eat breakfast now? Cereal? You sure? Yogurt.
No yogurt.
No yogurt.
Juice?
Green juice. Yeah.
I'm the only one who's doing that.
Oh, ayaw ni Sak yung lasa. Buti na. Try a little bit of sip. So I'm not gonna put, what do you want? The same last before? Alright. So hindi ko na lalagyan ng, it's in, where did I put it?
Are you helping me?
What? Sorry. No, it's alright now. Here's your toothbrush. Sak.
Where's your toothbrush from? Where's toothpaste?
Alis na sila ng daddy.
What top wear is that?
That one.
No
Do
jumper.
you have a card? Yeah.
Get yourself some jumpers on.
No.
Why?
Don't want to show off.
Yeah, use that sapsasa, Sak. It's good one. Ayun yung suotin yung sapsasa niya. Champion naman kayo, Sak. Natalo nyo yung city. At ang iba pa. Where your sapsasa, Sak? Ay, come on, Baba, so you can take your med. No, that's yucky. That's so faded. No, it's so faded, Sa.
Faded. You faded it.
No, I didn't. Come on. Wear something nice, Sak. It's all...
It's not. It does not fade.
It's...
Comfy inside.
I know. The sapsasa is better.
No.
Why not? It's the color is faded, Sak. It looks so... Oh, no.
Bleach on it.
Come on.
No, I'm wearing...
Tikas ng ulo nito, no. Inaasar na naman ako. Sak, no, Sak, look. There's some stains. And then it's too small.
No, it's not.
It is. You look na.
That does not match with this outfit. Look at you.
It's cropped up, Sak. It's cropped up. Na. Look, may mga naano ako kasi yan natalsikan ng bleach kaya may mga puti-puti. Come on, Sak, change it. You have something good one there, please.
Why?
Because it doesn't look alright. The sapsasa is better. Come on. Sabi ng daddy niya, whatever, Sa. Wala. Siyang nanalo. Kung ako lang masusunod, meron dyan na mas maayos na jumper. Pero, wala eh. Hindi na sila mga baby tulad noon na ako talagang nagdi-decide ng mga susuotin nila. So, you're wearing that one, the new one. Wear the old one then, so it's complete.
What old one?
The one with the hole?
What hole?
The black one, your old one. Why are you wearing the new one? Oh, the other one.
That's clear TJ's.
Oh, that was kuya. Yan yung bagong bili sa kanya ng daddy niya nung last week. Yes. Naglungkot-lungkutan ako. Yeah, that's good. That's better, nak. Come on, that's better. Thank you.
Who said I'm wearing it?
Ganyan siya sa akin, yung aasarin niya.
Big.
No, it's not. It looks nice, sak. Grabe siya mang-asar. As in.
What about the shirt?
The shirt is alright. Yes. You got a good one there, but I don't know why you like wearing that one.
It was nice, but someone ripped it.
What do I ripped it?
Someone ripped it, yeah. It's too,
What? Oh, when you play.
and it's too wide.
It's alright. Okay. That one's better. Thank you, Sak.
It's not, but okay.
I love mommy so much. Oh, see? That's better!
It's not.
It is nahiya siya. It's alright. You're champion, remember? Your team is ayaw niyang nagbabrag ako. Go, Sak! You're going! Thank you, nak. Love. Can you get my phone, please?
Zach, do you have your boots?
Yes. Where's your boot, Sak? Everything's there?
Dad's angry, Mom.
Okay, see ya. Mwah. Love you. Good luck. Good luck sa training. At least umalis siyang suot niya yung sapsa sa jumper. See ya! Thank you. Ganun si Sak, aanuhin niya ako muna. Alam mo yun, parang aasarin niya muna ako. Pero gusto niya talaga yung green. Naglungkot-lungkutan na ako. Sabi ko, you have better jumper than this one. Kasi eto, ang dami itong tingnan nyo sa likod. May mga puti. Alam mo yun, yung parang wala na siyang masusuot pang iba. And faded na to. Matagal na to 3 years ago na ata to. Okay lang to pang bahay-bahay. Or kahit dito okay lang. Pero sabi ko, maging presentable ka naman sa sa paningin ng iyong team. Ayan, painumin na natin siya ng gamot. And eto, ayusin ko. Brush your hair, please. I told you. Brush your hair every time you get up. Like, that's the first thing you have to do.
No, is it?
Yes. Brush and brush your
toilet.
toilet. Yes, toilet and then here.
That's too much. Yeah, a bit more because I don't want to take it.
Okay. Here. Lick it. Okay, put this back.
Mom, you should go walking here too. Someone's walking here.
I know. Come on. Hurry up.
So I hate this mess.
Hurry up. So, tapos ko nang i-fix yung aming bed. Si Holly, ayun siya. Kasi maliligo na kami. All good? And, eto na yung kanyang susuotin. Siya lang kumuha.
Mom, I like your face thingy.
It's alright, Baba. Okay. It's okay. Thank you. For the hair. Okay. Let's go. Shower na muna kami. Ilagay namin dito yung mga towels. Okay, Baba? So, meron tayo sa buhok. Para hindi magkahulog-hulog.
Towel.
Okay, that's for my face.
Jumper.
Alright.
Yes.
And then dito sa gilid yung aming toiletries. Baba, can you get your biscuit, please? Kasi ito doon malagay sa bathroom. Kasi tingnan nyo, si Kuya, yung swag niyan doon. Ilagay natin ito dito. Kasi kailangan natin siya dyan. Diba? Perfect! Buti nang dinala ko to. Oh. Hanap ako ng isusuot. Sabi ni Holly, ito raw suotin kong turtleneck. Kasi malamig mamaya. Hindi ko pa ito nasusuot. Nagsara na lang yung temp dito sa Adelaide. Ayan, doon ko pa ito nabili. Tagal na. This one, you sure?
Yes, it looks beautiful.
Alright.
And it will look beautiful on you.
Tapos mag-ano na lang ako, mag-vest. You have the key? Ayan yung water park. Katapat lang natin. Dito kami lagi nagpapabook malapit sa water park. Kasi malapit din siya sa toilet or bathroom. Ayun lang. Cold.
There, but if you're only gonna be quick, that's okay.
Huh?
But if you're only gonna
Yeah, we're just gonna be quick. We're just gonna have a quick shower.
Yeah, that's cool, honey.
Sorry. Because we're checking out soon.
Yeah, that's fine. Go for
Sorry.
it.
Thank you, Mom. We're just gonna be quick. Promise. Okay. Tapos may maglilinis. Kailangan maging quick lang kami dito sa shower. Come on, Baba. You can go shower here, Baba. No, because we have to be quick. Oh, okay, come on. Mamadali kami ni Holly kasi nandito na yung cleaner. Okay. Hindi na tayo makapag-dry ng buhok. Thank you. You too. So, dito sana ako mag-dry ng buhok. Kaso si ate nandito na. You got the key? Ayan, naka-close na yan. Pagdating namin, nilalagay niya na. Sabi ko, pwede bang maligo muna kami kahit saglit? Dami pa naman nating dala. Nandito yung skincare ko. Maybe we should... Ang bigat kasi ng dala natin.
There's some over there. I know where the other ones are.
Okay, we'll go to the other one. Yeah, so we can dry you.
I hate working with wet feet.
Okay, punta kami sa isang bathroom. Ayan yung van ni ate, oh. Okay, let's go to the other one. Para ma-dry natin ang buhok natin. We're almost there, Bamba. Yeah, look at the playground. Nice playground. What's that? Smells good. Bacon. Nagluluto na sila mga kani-kanilang breakfast. Okay. Saan na tayo? Good? Okay. Oh, it smells good to here. Alright, Baba. May pa-music dito. Hello. Yan. Yeah. Hindi ko nagamit yung aking towel, yung hair towel. Ginamit ko yung kay Holly. Alright. Well, not there, Baba. Somewhere dry. Here. Ah, someone here too. I'll do yours first, Baba. Okay.
An actual tooth? Yeah. Yeah, looks it. Let me get a dress there enough. You got me overthinking. Where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Into a picture fantasies. Just you and me.
Si Holly pala, bumalik na yan sa caravan. Iniwan niya ako sa bathroom kasi in-straight ko pa yung buhok ko. Skincare. So, nauna na siya sa caravan. And, nandiyan na si Daddy. Magmandali na raw kami kasi aalis na agad tayo. Punta natin si Sa. 10% na. Oh, 5% na lang siguro itong battery natin. Wait lang, ang bigat ng dala ko. Come on, Baba.
Because I think